Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting an internet connection error on Meta AI, do not worry. This is easy to fix. First, check your Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure that it is working properly. Then, restart your router or switch to another network to test the connection. Now, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the Meta AI app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. If it still shows error, restart your phone. Make sure you are not using VPN, and VPN is blocking the connection because it can cause issues. Also, head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for Meta AI and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Now your Meta AI internet connection should be fixed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.